Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a yarn unboxing. This is the first time I am buying from this seller. I saw this yarn. Actually, one of my Instagram friends, she messaged me. She sent me the listing, the page, and I messaged right away and I said, "Do you ship to Canada?" And they said, "Yes." I said to myself, I love the yarn. I fell in love with it. It's rainbow, pastel rainbow worsted mohair yarn. And those are really hard to get a hold of. So I messaged, but we had a hard time communicating because I don't know if it's a female or it's a man. It says Büşra here, but I don't know. Büşra Hanım, teşekkür ederim. Paketim elime ulaştı. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Yeah, she said she had 1 kilogram. Oh, I thought this was worsted. See, it looks really different in the pictures. So I paid around 300 Canadian dollars and plus $25 custom fee, shipping included. Wow, okay. The communication was, yeah. I asked for this yarn. Okay, it looks like she shipped me everything what she had. I wanted pastel. And then she included even this pink one. Oh, well. I'm going to be a very busy person. Okay, this is the yarn that I wanted. Yeah, so I thought I paid 1 kilogram, but it was actually over 11 kilogram. And this weighs, it says on the box, what did it say? I just read it. It says that this package weighs 14 kilogram. Yeah. Okay, these are worsted yarn. It's the same yarn as this. This is the reason I went and bought it with cones, just to point out. So this yarn, 150 gram of yarn, is sold on Hobbyim for $9 American, just to give you an idea. Okay. So I bought it in cones. This is way cheaper price-wise, but I bought so much. I bought all she had. I was assuming they were all rainbow, but no. Okay, so the content, I'll give you an idea. These are all four weight yarns that you can knit or crochet up to 8 millimeter knitting needle or crochet hooks. Because I did work with them, so it doesn't have to be number 5 millimeter. Okay, the content is 13% mohair. Okay, these are the same as well. 13% mohair. Let me get this blur. Get rid of the. Okay, 13% mohair, 67% acrylic, 4% polyamide, and 18% polyester. So that's what I'm aiming for, and I'm going to be knitting cardigans. Oh my goodness, I think I'm going to be knitting thousands of cardigans with all this yarn that I've been buying. So this is one of the rainbow. Very nice. Very nice. See, it's worsted. Maybe the content is different, but it's approximately same as that one. I'm looking at the cone here, trying to figure out, but it doesn't give you any content. Okay, so this is one of the cones. Okay, so I believe this and this is the same. Okay, let me just put them here. Yeah, this is the same as well. But there's purple. Yeah, it's the same. Oh, there's more in there. So I paid for this as well. It's huge. I'm gonna weigh this. I might sell this. I have someone asking for pink color because I already have this that I bought from Crochet. It's the same color, but very nice. Okay, I don't know if you can read it. It says made in Turkey. These are all made in Turkey. So I don't think you can pay, because I would never forget from America. It was on Etsy. I paid $150 for one cone of yarn. Plus I paid custom fee and shipping fee on top of it. Just to give you a comparison. So here's another giant one. I think this is, yeah, this color is different than this. If you look at it, there's more pink. This one has more pinks in it. Yeah. Okay, and then we have blues. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. It's the same. It's the same as this. Wow. So I will knit with this, and if I need more yarn, I will finish it up. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, wow. This is nice. It's the same. See? Same color, but this is on a cone, just to give you an idea. But it's the same colorway. It has the purples, the turquoise, the pink. See? Oh, wow. I'm trying to read, but it's blurry. Okay, can you see what's inside here? Can't believe it. It's the same color. There's more cones here. Wow. There's more of this rainbow. Oh my goodness. They nicely wrapped them. Oh, here's another cone. Nice. Oh, wow. I can't believe this. And then they nicely caked these. These are nice. Can you see? Very nice. So these are all rainbow, as you can see. These are all lots of rainbow, pastel rainbow. Okay, this color, I don't know, the colors look a little bit, this is like more blues in it. But when you cake them, oops, I am so sorry. When you cake them, see how it becomes. So this is in a cone. So I believe these are all the same colors as the cakes here. So this one has more yellows and more blues. Look at it. It's oh my goodness. I thought so much because we live so far away and it's really, really hard to find these yarns here in Canada. No one sells these kinds of yarns. I don't know when they're going to be coming here, but the time they come, probably I will be knitting lots and lots. This is lots of yarn. I am surprised. Oh, wow. Because the reply was 1 kilogram, which I received, it says 14 kilogram on the box. Well, the boxes, there's lots of yarn in here. Oh, my. And this is extra. I did not plan for the pink, but that's okay. I can either sell it. I have to weigh it though. These are huge. This is like, I don't know, 1 kilogram of yarn in here. You know what? I'm going to go and weigh it and I'll be right back. Yeah, I just weighed this. It's about 3 pounds, about 1 kilogram, 500 gram. So 1.5 gram of yarn in here. So here is lots of yarn. But this was a big surprise. I just can't believe it. It's the same yarn that I bought from Hobium. So, would I go back to Hobium? No way, Jose. They don't even carry these pastel colors in Hobium. Even when you look at the pictures. Wow, I'm just overwhelmed. I'm just shocked. I'm super happy. Would I go and buy? I'm kind of hesitant, but yes, I would go and buy, but not in the near future. Next year, maybe. I have to knit up these yarns. Yeah, for now on, I'm only looking for different kinds of yarn. Different, yeah, because I have most of the yarns that's on sale in the market. It's unbelievable. I am so happy, thrilled to receive these yarn. I don't know if I can fit them back in this box because it's really hard. It was nicely packed. Yeah, I would give them, because of the communication, I had a hard time understanding, but other than that, they're fantastic. Yeah, definitely would reply to me ASAP. Yeah, I would recommend. I will put their Instagram page in the description. So if you want to go and check them, you are welcome to. But you need to be very patient. Definitely be very patient. Even I'm a Turkish speaker, I had a hard time communicating. Yeah, so again, I paid $25 with UPS custom fee. The shipping, the yarn is not that expensive. The shipping is expensive. So I paid around, when you round it out, $300 Canadian. Not even 300. That's how much I paid. But I'm just overwhelmed. It's just lovely. These are like cotton candy. They're so soft. It's not nice to the soft to the skin. These don't shed. Yeah, I am already working on a project. If you want to go and check my Instagram, I posted a short video, my whip. And as soon as I finish my custom orders, I am going to be working on it and finishing it. And I will post it on my Etsy shop. If you are interested in any of these yarns, just email me to funkygirlsworkingshop@gmail.com. I do have my email address. If you go into my About section, you can copy and paste it if you want to email me which yarns you want. I can think about it because these yarns are very precious to me. Yeah. So that's all I'm going to say. I do have another unboxing from Iplik Outlet. Again, they came out on the same date. And yeah, I'm just overwhelmed. I'm going to open that package after this. This is my second package, so I'll open my third package. They all came on the same day. Can you believe it? That's what usually happens, right? And yeah, so I'll see you on my next unboxing, my next video. So stay tuned for that Iplik Outlet unboxing. I'm doing these all separately because I don't want my videos to be long. And I don't want you guys to get bored. But you can just stare at these gorgeous yarns, can't you? I'm touching. But I believe these are different colors. Again, I'm thinking this is like more pastel. I have to be very careful when I'm starting a project. Because when you look at them, I wish they wrote down which color is which, right? Because you don't know. Maybe these are same. But I believe that blue one is different. Again, I can't. This one is like lighter. I believe these are the one same as this. These are all different colors. But mostly are these, I believe, because the purples are matching. But that one is different. That one and this one is the same. And I believe this one. So this one is a totally different cone when you look at it. Maybe, yeah, I don't, yeah, maybe it's with this color. Again, I'm not quite sure. I'm a little bit confused with the colors. Right? Yeah, I'm so happy. You know, yarn makes me happy, and I don't buy anything else. Yeah, you guys take care, and happy knitting, happy crocheting. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. Happy knitting, happy crocheting. Oh my